Transferring WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without using a cable can be done using the WhatsApp app itself. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once done, tap on the settings icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen and access the settings menu. Now, in the settings, simply tap on the chats option available there. Now, inside the chats, you can see move to Android option available there. Now, all you have to do is tap on the move to Android and ensure both your iPhones and Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the transfer process. WhatsApp will then move your data including chats, images and videos to the Android device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.